Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to generate thesis outlines with GPT-4. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to generate a thesis outline using GPT-4, all you got to do is simply go to GPT-4. So once you go to GPT-4, you need to simply tap it on, and now you need to provide specific detailed prompt that includes your research topic, key objectives, and any institutional requirements. The process involves several steps of interaction and refinement. You need to simply define your research topic in question, access your GPT-4, and use targeted prompts. You need to refine the outline iteratively, and you need to fact check it and verify it. After you have done this, you can add your original analysis as well, and you need to use the AI as a research co-pilot or brainstorming partner, not as a replacement for your own work. So this is how you can generate thesis outlines with GPT-4. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.